Before we begin, make sure you are wearing the right safety gear for the site you are working on and tools you are using. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a second pair of hands depending on the size and weight of the product. To begin, stand on the inside of the house. To remove your screen for cleaning, open the sash and pull the tab on both ends of the fly screen. Slightly push the fly screen outwards, keeping it resting on the bottom of the window. Stand on the outside of the house and from the outside of the window, tilt the bottom of the fly screen away. Gently pull down on the fly screen once it clears from the bottom of the window. This will detach the fly screen from the top of the window. To refit the fly screens, you will need to extend the clip when refitting the screen and repeat the same process in reverse.